the chat box. Let me just double check. I don't think Ariel's here. She's from Oregon, and I think she may already know the answer to this question, but I just wanted to mention it really quickly. She was asking about grow lamps, and her question was about LED lights. They have red and blue mix. Which one is better? Why would you pick just blue? And she's in Oregon where there's heavy smoke. Yeah, there's heavy smoke in a lot of places. So she's looking at growing indoors. So this is important for a lot of people. You know, when there's environmental stuff happening outdoors, you know, you might move your operation indoors. So, you know, it's good to have some grow lamps around so that you can grow some microgreens and keep your greens going. So one thing to understand about grow lamps, you know, it's interesting. When we start to grow indoors, some questions come up. There's a difference between photosynthesis and photomorphogenesis. And so photomorphogenesis is the idea that the light spectrum that's available for your plants triggers different bits of the hormonal system, and it dictates, you know, how seeds sprout and when they start to photosynthesize. And so your plant growth is going to respond to different parts of the light spectrum. And so in general, when we look at our LED lights, we talk about our red spectrum as being more for flowering. Our blue spectrum is more for growing leaves. And then green has been shown to be also helpful in the LED spectrum. So people are now buying RGB LEDs instead of just having red and blue lights, or just blue or red. But keep in mind with our grow lamps that you know, white light from fluorescent has been inexpensive. It's been working for years, and you can make it happen. One thing to keep in mind, so right in this image, this tray is way too far away from that lamp. So what I did is I raised it up below. I stacked a bunch of books to get it right up against that light. You want the light as close as possible. And the reason is that when you're outside with photosynthesis, the sun you're basically photosynthesizing, and the photomorphogenesis is just being taken care of by that sunlight. But when you're growing indoors, you're trying to kickstart all that hormonal stuff in the seed. You need that light actually really close. You need it within 6 inches. And I talk all about that in the video titled Grow Lamps in the How to Grow $400 in 40 Days. So make sure you check out that video for those of you who are thinking about grow lamps.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And for more simple and practical gardening tips, subscribe to Grow Your Own Vegetables. For more tips and updates, visit GYOV.org and join our growing community.